Hey friends, good morning. I hope you're having a great day today. We're going to have some calendar time together. So go ahead and get your whiteboard or a marker, or paper, pencil, whatever you've been working on. And if you need to run and get that, put me on pause, go get it. If you've already got it and you're ready to work, let's get started. All right, so let's look at our calendar and we'll start with our months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. All right, so if we look at our calendar, we have our month going across the top. The month is May, and our date today is May the 6th. So today is May 6th. The year, is 2020. So today is May 6th, 2020. Let's write that together. Our month is May. Remember, it's going to begin with an uppercase M because it's a special name. So we have May 6th. (2020). Good. So today is May 6th, 2020. Let's do our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday in, there's Monday, there's Tuesday in, there's Wednesday, there's Thursday in, there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good. All right, so if we look on our calendar for today, we go up, up, up. I get to Right, today is Wednesday. So to figure out yesterday, I go back one day, up, 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 t, t, t. I see just the T, not the TH, t, t. Yesterday was Tuesday. We know that Tuesday comes before Wednesday. So here's today again. Today is Wednesday. If I go forward one day till tomorrow, comes after Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Good. All right, so let's read all 3 days and our season. Ready? Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. The season is spring. Very good. All right, so here, shift over a little bit, is our problem of the day. Okay, while you write that down and solve, I'm going to adjust the camera so you guys can be a little bit closer. Goodness gracious. Sorry about that, guys. Bumpy ride today. All right, so here's our problem of the day. 11 plus what equals 14? So go ahead and solve this on your own, and then come back to me once you have your answer and let's check. All right, if you're ready to solve. So we know we're starting with 11. We know we're adding more. We see a plus sign, and we have to end up with 14. So there's a couple ways to do this. We could start by putting 11 in our head. Okay, and then we'll count up on our fingers. So we have 11 in our head, 12, 13, 14. It took me 3 more to get to 14. Or we could draw 14 dots, right? We know we're going to end up with 14. So there's my 14. I need to take away 11 and see how many are left. 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 3 left, so I got 3 again. Another way to do it is you have 11, right? So you're going to count on from 11 and stop when you get to 14. So we have 11. That makes 12. That makes 13. That makes 14. I needed 3. So all the ways we've done it, we've gotten 3. So 11 plus 3 equals 14. Okay, you might also just know it. You might know, oh, well, 10 plus 4 would be 14. You can figure it out that way. Okay, but if you want to solve it, these are the ways. Okay, and they all gave us the same answer of 3. All right, let's look at our pattern. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Do you think this is growing or repeating? A repeating pattern today. So let's label this. So we have A, B, B. A, B, B. If you haven't paused me to write this down and solve it on your own, go ahead and do that now so we know this is a repeating pattern. We've labeled it and I want you to finish filling it in, okay? All right, so let's look at it. We have 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, or A, B, B, A, B, B. So this is an A, B, B pattern. So let's keep labeling and see what goes in the missing spots, all right? So we have A, B, B, and then we'll start back again at A. So the first thing we need to fill in is a B. When we fill in a B, all my B's are number 2. And then A is 1. Okay, so let's read our whole pattern, start at the beginning and make sure that it sounds right and makes sense. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Good. And again, this was an A, B, B pattern. Okay, all right, let's look at our time. So here's my clock. Go ahead, once you know what time it is, write it down. Okay, so let's start with our short hour hand. It's pointing right at the 6. So it's not between two numbers. We don't have to bounce back. We don't have to figure out which one it is. It's pointing right to the 6. So we know that our hours are going to be 6. And our minute hand is pointing to the 12. So remember, when the minute hand points to the 12, we say what? We say o'clock, and we write o'clock, so 6, by writing 2 zeros. So 6 o'clock. Good. All right, the last thing we're going to do today is money. Sorry, something fell. Just my cell phone, no big deal. Okay. So here's our money board. Remember all of our coins. There we go. So we have a quarter worth 25 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And a penny is worth 1 cent. Remember, quarter has George Washington and the bald eagle. A dime has Franklin Roosevelt, a torch and 2 branches, and we count by tens. The nickel has Thomas Jefferson and Monticello, his house. It's worth 5 cents. We count by fives. Penny is our only brown coin with Abraham Lincoln and the Lincoln Memorial, and we count pennies by ones because they're worth 1 cent. Okay. So let's look at our bank for today. We have 2 coins again, all silver though. So we're going to have to really kind of look at them carefully to think, what are they? So first we have 2 dimes, and then we have some nickels. So we're going to count our dimes by 10, and then we'll switch and count our nickels by 5s. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm falling apart today. Everything is dropping and falling. I apologize. So let's start by counting by 10s. Ready? 10, 20. Now we need to count by 5, starting at 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's do that one more time, counting by 10s, and then you have to kind of switch to counting by 5s. Ready? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 cents. So for our money today, we have 50 cents. Don't forget that cent symbol. All right. Okay, guys, that's calendar for today. Don't forget, I'll show you. Today is May 6th, and Mother's Day is coming up on May 10th. So let's count. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 days until Mother's Day. So if you're working on that poem for your mom, keep working. I thought of something else for O. You could write like only the best, or only does great things, or like only would be a good word to start something with O for. Okay? But I miss you. I love you. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.